Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop Quizlet from sending you spammy emails. So if you keep on getting those spammy emails on Quizlet, then here's how you can disable this. So it will work both on the Gmail app but also on the normal mail app. It's completely the same. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to locate one of those spammy emails. So for example this one, this may not be an actual spammy email, but you get the point. Once you've done that, just scroll a little bit down, and then right here, it's really small, it will say unsubscribe. And if you click on that, you simply need to open it with either your default browser or like a Google Chrome. And then it will literally just be able to unsubscribe you from those emails, as you guys can see right here. So just click everything away, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure to just basically uncheck all of those things and then just update email preferences. And now you will not get any of those spammy emails. So yeah, that's literally all you need to do. If you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.